So I thought I'd do a quick video just to show what I've been doing lately. A few people have asked from seeing a few posts on Instagram and Facebook of this panel. So it's an AGM Designs 3-piece carbon boot panel for the wide-bodied Westfield. It comes with this piece, the centre and the other side. And what I wanted to do was make it so it opened without taking the roll bar off, so that I can access the diff area for cleaning. And also I want to put a boot box back inside, which is removable. So what I've done is I've fitted a couple of hinges and I've cut, I don't know how well you can see it, I've cut along here and made it into a 4-piece. So it's this is fixed at the back, these are fixed, and this one opens up. I've not fitted the boot catches yet or the boot box, but you can see nice clean diff area. Underneath I've fitted a angle piece of alley onto the rear cross member of the chassis, and those 2 bolts are what are going to bolt the boot box on. The most fiddly bit was probably working out where these holes go, because obviously you only get one go at it, and it was the first time cutting carbon, but it wasn't too bad. Just used a drill, chain drilled the holes, and then used a Dremel just to make the holes the right size. I used a hacksaw to cut these straight edges just around the bottom of the roll bar. And then I used a hacksaw blade, well 4 blades, because this carbon blunts them really quickly, to do this straight edge. Oh, and then the seatbelt posts, they were just a cone drill. So lots of measuring and marking, checking twice and all that, but I'm quite pleased with the result. And I'll just show you how I marked where these holes go. I made up just from an old plastic folder, a template which I fitted around like that with the roll bar in place without the boot panel, and then taped this to the bodywork just to give me the hole in the exact location, and then marked around here, removed this, removed the roll bar, and then popped this back on with the carbon in place, and that allowed me to transfer the hole markings onto the carbon. So it worked quite well, and they're pretty spot on really. I'm well pleased. So yeah, AGM Designs, highly recommend. Really nice piece of carbon.